This is going to FA1 revision. FA1 formative assessment exam for you. The ending of this month. That means 29th, 30th and 31st. 3 days you having exams. Prepare well for exam. Maths portion goes to chapter 1 and chapter 2. Chapter 1 is numbers up to 10,000. Chapter 2 is addition of numbers. Okay? And multiplication tables from 2 to 10. This is the maths portion. Once again, chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 1 and 2 and multiplication tables from 2 to 10 tables. Prepare well for exam. Now I am going to give revision for this exam. You watch the video and practice in your homework book. And already I sent you revision practice sheets. And 25th, 26th and 27th also I send you revision sheets through WhatsApp group. You open your WhatsApp and practice all the models in your homework book. Okay, Nana? Ready? Come on, open your homework book and practice all the revision. In this having first chapter and second chapter, additions and word problems also there. First chapter having number names, numbers, expanded form, short form, place value, face value, yes, successor, predecessor, ascending order, descending order, symbols greater than, less than, equal to, form the greatest number and smallest number of the given digits. Okay, all the models are there. You have to watch the video and write each one in your homework book. Ready? Can I start? Come on. First one, number names of 4-digit numbers. 4-digit. 1000 is the first 4-digit number and the smallest 4-digit number. 9999 is the last 4-digit number and the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, first of all, 1-digit numbers 1 to 9. 1 is the smallest, 9 is the greatest. 2-digit numbers 10 to 99. 10 is the smallest, 99 is the greatest. 3-digit numbers 100 to 999. 100 is the smallest, 999 is the greatest. 1000 to 9999 are 4-digit. 1000 is the smallest, 9999 is the greatest. In numbers up to 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Now I am going to start. You also open your homework book and write. First one, number names. Write the number name. Write the number name. Given number goes to this one. How to read this number? We read the 4-digit number. Start with thousands, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 2469. 2469. TWO2 THOUSAND. 1400. HUNDRED. 69. Write together these two tens number and ones number. 69. SIXPY. 6PNINE9. This is going to number name. Okay. Already I sent practice sheets, no revision sheets. Okay. 7, 8, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2. Practice in your homework book. Note down and practice number name. Next one. Number name means, yes, write the spelling. Start with thousands. 4-digit numbers start with thousands. Next hundreds. Next put together tens number and ones number. Next numeral. Numeral means write the number. Write the number or numeral. Write the numeral or write the number. Both are same. Number or numeral. ONE1 THOUSAND. What is this word? Thousand. 1000. SEVEN 7. HUNDRED 100. TWENTY 20. Continue. 9. This is the given number name. Now write the numeral. The number name start with thousands. That means thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Keep the places like this. And now write the number. 1000. 1 write in the thousands place. 700. 7 write in the hundreds place. 29. 20. 2 tens. 9. 9 ones. This is goes to numeral. 1000. 1 write in the thousands place. 700. 7 write in the hundreds place. 20 write in the tens place. 9 write in the ones place. Okay? Now note down. Write in your homework book. Write the numeral means write the number. Come on, note down. Next heading. Expanded form. Write in expanded form. Write in short form. Expanded form means we expand the given number. That means we separate the places. Given number is 4-digit number. Then we are going to separate thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay? Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. That is going to expanded form. Come on. Very easy. 5, 6, 8, 3. Write in expanded form. 2095. Write in expanded form. Means we separate the places. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yes, 4-digit numbers. Put the places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Start. 5683. 5 is in the thousands place. 5 and put 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. 5000. Next goes to 6. 6 is in the hundreds place. Write 6 and put 2 zeros. 600. 8 is in the tens place. 8 and put 1 zero. 80. 3 is in the ones place. Write 3. This is going to expanded form. 5683. We are going to separate thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. Come on, note down. Next one, write the short form. Short form means write the correct number. Write the short form. Now the question is in the expanded form. We put together that numbers. Write short form. Write the short form. Short form means write the correct number. FORM. Question is given like this. Now put together all the places. That is called short form. Note down. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 places. 4 places means 4-digit number. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Come on, start. 2000. Remove zeros and write this number only in the thousands place. Next, 300. Write 3 only in the hundreds place. 40, write 4 only in the tens place. 5, write in the ones place. This is going to short form. 2345. Next one, 6000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 9. This is not addition. Expanded form means using addition form. 6, write in the thousands place. No hundreds. We also put 0. 50, 5 tens, 9 ones. Like that you have to write. 8000. 8 write in the thousands place. 100. 1 write in the hundreds place. 0 tens. 0 write in the tens place. 4 write in the ones place. Understood? Expanded form and short form. Write expanded form means we are going to write like this. Short form means write the number. Note down next one. Face value and place value. 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 4, 5, 6, 9. I am going to underline the number. You write the place value and face value of the underlined digit. Here underline 5. Here I am going to underline 3. First one, second one, third one. Here I am going to underline 6. Fourth one, 2, 0, 3, 2. Here I am going to underline 3. You have to write face value and place value of the underlined digit only in each number. Okay? First face value. Next place value. Face value no change. Place value depending upon the place. Isn't it? Face value no change. Put the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Here 5 is the no need to write value. Face value means write the same number. Write as it is number. 5 only comes in the face value. Now write the place value. 5 is in the hundreds place. That means the value goes to 500. Now come to second number. Underline number is 3. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. No change in the face value. Now go to place value. 3 is in the thousands place. The value of 3 is 3000. Next come to here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Underline number is 6. Face value 6 6 is in the ones place. 6 ones means place value also 6. 2032. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Underlying number is 3. No change in the face value. Face value means number itself. Now write place value. 3 is in the tens place. 3 tens, 30. This is face value. This is place value of the underlying digits. Next one, successor, predecessor. Write the successor of, write the predecessor. Successor means after number. Predecessor means before number. Just after, just before. Successor, S-U-C-C-E-S-S-O-R. Successor. P-R-E-D-E-C-E-S-S-O-R. Predecessor. Successor just after. Predecessor just before. After next number, before front number. Successor after number, predecessor before number. Here 3-digit number or 4-digit number. 368 after. Successor of 368, 369. No change in the hundreds and tens. Only change in number goes to ones. 1453. 2764. 7511. Write the successors of the given number. Successor just after. Now write the predecessor. 948, 947. The predecessor of 3912. The predecessor of 6172. The predecessor of 8948. That means before numbers. After numbers, before numbers. No doubt. Here you have to say only ones place number. If any change, go to tens place number also. Here also. After, before. Between means middle number. Between means middle number. The number which comes after, which comes before. I show you that one also. Between number of given two numbers. Between number 2467 and 2469. What comes in between? 67 and 69. 2468. 4126. 4128. 4127. Okay, these are between numbers. Next one. Ascending order and descending order. AO, DO. Ascending. Small number to big number. We arrange the numbers small to big. 4356, 1754, 6372, 2943. These are the given numbers arranged in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. All are going to 4-digit numbers. All are going to 4-digit numbers. Compare thousands. Which number having less thousands? This. That means this is comes in the first place. 1754. Next 4 2. Yes. 2943. Next. Yes, this number 4356. Next 6372. Now the given numbers are in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Okay? Next descending order. Big number to small number. D S C E N D I N G. Descending order. We write the given numbers big to small. 3756, 8175, 5094, 6843. Now arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means big to small. All are 4-digit numbers. Compare thousands. Which number having more thousands? This. It comes in the first place. Next. This. Next. 5094. Next. 3756. This is going to arrange the numbers in descending order. Ascending order small to big. Descending order big to small. Next one. Form the greatest number and the smallest number. Form the greatest number and smallest number using the given digits. Using the given digits. Very easy. Yes, how do you get the greatest number? Arrange the given digits in descending order. If you are arranging the given digits ascending order, that is smallest. Given digits 7, 4, 9, 2. These are the separate digits. We are going to write greatest and smallest. Greatest, smallest. Okay? Greatest number. How to form the greatest number? Arrange the given digits in descending order. Means here given 4 digits. That means we have to form the greatest 4-digit number with using these digits. Here 9 is big. Write first. Next 7. Next 4. The greatest number goes to 9742. Don't put commas. Here commas. Why? These are separate. Now we get some value. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now arrange those digits in ascending order. We get smallest. 2, 4, 7, 9. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 2479 is the smallest. 9742 is the greatest. We are going to using these digits only. Okay, see. 2, 4, 7, 9. 9, 7, 4, 2. Okay. Next one. Using the symbols greater than, less than, or equal to between given two numbers. Symbols greater than, less than, or equal to 3-digit number start with hundreds. 4-digit number start with thousands. 3-digit number is small. 4-digit number is big. When we are going to keep in symbols in the between the given two numbers, first check the digits. 3478, 6289, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All 2 are 4-digit numbers. ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Compare thousands. Here 3, here 6. 3 is less than 6. That means 3,478 is less than 6,289. This is big, this is small. Okay? We are going to keeping the symbols, compare thousands. If thousands place is same, going to compare hundreds. If hundreds also same, going to compare tens. Like that we are going to compare the given digits and put the correct symbol. I sent these examples in properties revision sheet. You practice in that sheet. Okay? Next one. Add the following. Already you know how to do addition. That is going to adding 3-digit numbers, adding 4-digit numbers with regrouping, without regrouping. I give you, you note down and practice in your homework book. Find the total, find the sum, add. Come on, note down. 345 plus 232. Second one, 678 plus 134. Third one, 225 plus 175 plus 305. Note down 3-digit numbers, 2 lines and 3 lines. Next, fourth one, 4-digit numbers, 3,451 plus 4,306. Fifth one, 4,726 plus 3,279. Note down, copy down, my dear children. Sixth one, 3,422 plus 1,341 plus 2,135. 4-digit, 3 lines. One more problem is there, Nana. Can I write here? Okay. 7th one, 1,548. Okay. 2,731 plus 3,059. Note down 7th one. You have to practice all the additions in your homework book. 3-digit number, 2 lines and 3 lines with regrouping, without regrouping. 4-digit numbers, 2 lines and 3 lines with grouping, without regrouping. You have to practice in your homework book. Next, word problems. Come on, note down. This is FA1 revision. You are going to write first exam. Prepare well, my dear children, all the subjects and write neatly. Come on. Word problems, tables and blanks. Already you write 5 or 6 online objective type exams. The blanks are given in that. I am not given blanks for in this revision. I given word problems and learn tables 2 to 10 tables. 2 to 10 tables. I show you word problems. You practice in your book. Already answers are given in the textbook also. Exercise 2F. 1, 2, 3. And fourth one is here. Page number 39 and 40. Another one. Chapter revision having 4 word problems. Chapter revision. 4-digit numbers, 3 lines addition and word problems steps also given. You directly find the total and write the answers. Practice these word problems also. Okay. See in our textbook. Exercise 2F and chapter revision, page number 45. And now I wrote 2 word problems on the board. You see that word problems and how to write the answers, how to write the words, how to frame the words. I tell you, observe. Come on children. There are 723 students in school A, underline, and 546 students in school B. What is the total number of students in both the schools? These are the important words. Here addition word goes to total. Total means the result of addition. That means we find the answer by addition. What is the first number? 723. That means write the words like this. Number of students in school A. Number of again, number of students in school B. In school B. Next, total number of students. Total number of students in both the schools. Enough. Total number of students. Now, total number of students in school A, 723. Number of students in school B, 546. Write the given 2 numbers, one below the other correctly. Total. We get the total by addition. That's why put the symbol plus. Now, start addition from ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 plus 6. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 2 plus 4, take 2 fingers, 4 after 5, 6. Now add hundreds. Take 7 fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of students are 1269. 1269. We get the answer by addition. Write the steps like this. Number of students in school A, number of students in school B, total number of students. Come on. Are you understood? This is also textbook problem only. Next one. Come on children. In a garden, there are 725 guava trees and 475 orange trees. How many trees are there in all? In all is addition word. That means we find the answer, yes, by addition. Okay. Now first one is guava trees. Number of guava trees. Guava trees means yes, 725. Next one, orange trees. Number of orange trees. 475. Write the numbers correctly, one below the other. In all, total number of trees in the garden. Total number of trees, put the symbol plus. Start addition from ones. 5 plus 5, 10. Regrouping, carry forward 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 3 after 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again regrouping. 0 right here. 1 carry forward. Now adding hundreds. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of trees are 1200. Total number of trees are 1200. In all means total. Number of guava trees, number of orange trees, total number of trees 725 plus 475. Understood? Next one. Come on children. Next one. Look at the board. There are 246 tables. Underline. And 178 chairs in a school. 246 tables and 178 chairs in a school. What is the total number of tables and chairs in the school? Total is addition word. The result of addition is called total. We get the answer by addition. What are the things given? Tables and chairs. Write the answer. Number of tables. Next, number of chairs. This is going to word problems. We are using words here. Total, addition word. The result of addition. Total number of tables and chairs. Tables and chairs. Now put 3 equals 1 below the other straight. First one, number of tables. How many? 246. Number of chairs? 178. Total number of tables and chairs. We get the total by addition. That's why put the symbol plus. Word problem means we write the words. Number of tables, number of chairs, total number of tables and chairs. Then write the numbers one below the other straight. Start addition from 1. 6 plus 8. Take 6 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Regrouping. 4 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 2 right here. Again carry forward. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. We get the total by adding the given two numbers. Number of tables, number of chairs, total number of tables and chairs. By addition, we get the total. This is going to another word problems. Okay children, you practice all the models, watch the video and practice all the concepts in your homework book, and I sent you revision worksheets also, revision practice sheets. You practice that sheets, 3 days 3 sheets, and prepare well for exam and learn tables, my dear children. If you have any doubt, make a call to me, I clarify your doubts. Okay, thank you, bye, take care.